This is where we do a morning ceremony, if we don't know, and give you predictions for the future. People, it's been a long journey, and the Almighty blessed me with peace and tranquility, infinite wealth. As I travel in stealth many years to reach this destination, 50 years old, my ancestors were on plantations. We, the next generation, with digital information, has liberated our mind with the intention to liberate our brothers and sisters. So with the virtual world, I'm able to just send you one link and you'll be liberated. Them call me the liberator. The elders pass away. My mentor, Clemson Brown, so the folk not confirm it, the liberator. So we're gonna make the business card with the scan code them, and when them scan it, them learn African history, them learn about religion, them go to money school, and then now them learn change and balance. That is why God sent me, to be a catalyst for charity. Big up to Kino Life in Jamaica. Kino, carry on the work. Michelle and Patrick know what we did do with Jamaica Good Life, and they say, Randy, we're going to show you what we are going to do. Grandmother still have my bracelet. So grandmother have Indian blood. We have Indian blood too. So we are one family out of, them say many, one people out of one many. So basically we are one family, and the spiritual ones that are responsible, I am my ancestor, which means that we are cycle to do the work and take a place. Aliyah, enough of the Jamaicans, them have a calling within them, and them can't resist it. I have a calling to lead and to, so I lead through the internet to put down 40,000 US of my own money. Because when you call, you know, and the ancestors call, you know, for you take them place, there's nothing you can do. You have to give up everything, because you're going to become an elder in the community, a chief. So to prove your worthiness, you have to heal the people them. You have to reconstruct their mind. You have to give them a new liberty, change and balance. You have to do the physical work. You have to preserve the information, the herbs, enough layers to become a chief. You have to create financial ways for them. It's not about when I am mind spiritually. You must be able to change a man's life, and you must live with forgiveness and mercy. I forgive all the people them where try to destroy me, but I know say God I go work upon them, because you see, in my back of my mind, I don't have no fear, but because I have to start watch my back because of the evil them and the vampire them, I kind of become more rugged and lionistic, you know. I'm ready for make a move upon a person, because I see them, I see the vampires them clearly. Let's get back on track. So a journey of a man for about 30 years I do this. And now we have our vitamins. We own vitamins in Jamaica. Lioness Ready and Lion Ready. The best vitamins. So go to Jamaica Health Box and check it out. Read all the products there. So we build the coffee. We build the vitamins and the health products. So business can be done in Jamaica. I'm proof of it. So after doing YouTube for a while, we want to segue into the Marcus Garvey, building our own products. Big up to Angela Burke for teaching me. So we build our own products now and ship all over the world. And there's 7 billion people in the world, so UNO can do it too. We don't have to compete as 7 billion people in the world. Right now, Jamaica has Amazon. So you must pay attention. Don't pay attention to the crime, you know. There's two kind of people. Them say people where I watch what's happening, and people where I make what's gonna happen. We're the makers of the happenings. We don't watch what happen. a two road, choose to get something done. Now watch what happen. Leaf a fall from tree and a dead. People will die. Crime will happen. You have to keep building Jamaica, building the next generation to become leaders. But the only way you do that is reprogram them from the British mind. Without tapvideo.com, them 700 video there, Jamaica will not be liberated. Without the truth of change and balance, Jamaica will not be liberated. No dead guy are gonna come save this. Each ancestors were come. Our representation of the good, from the Harriet Tubman, Marcus Garvey, Malcolm X, those are the crystallized ones. So sometimes Jesus will come out and not even know the concept of that consciousness of good. That's what it means. I'm about to walk upon water, the consciousness walk upon water, but we won't get into that. The point of the matter is, each and every one of you connected to the all. So one must do something. The challenge with the women in Jamaica is that they're more focused on material acquisition and personal relationship with God. If a woman just care about going to heaven and a gossip on the phone with him sister, because him thinks him safe, so him good. Your teacher was doing the work. So the girls, them are getting raped in Jamaica and all the things we are going. It is the responsibility of the woman. And the woman can feel them real pain. So the woman's supposed to be active in organizations, in retaliation, in changing laws. The base for any movement is communication, to organize. Marcus Garvey was an organizer. He wasn't great from his speeches. It's just not his speeches, you know. It was the ability to organize. So you have to learn as a woman to organize through the digital medium. You go to Wix.com, build a website, and have all the other women sign up to that website. You go to YouTube and say how to build a Wix website and watch all the video of them. And then how to build a form on Wix. Or you can use Google Docs and build a form and send the link to all the women them and them sign up. But you need Wix to do the mass email. So you create a Wix website and have everybody sign up. That's how you create an organization. And then you can get a business card with a scan code on it. So if you want to make a scan code, you go to Canva.com and you can create your free scan code and your business card them. And you can print it from Canva. So you create your business card and you create a website. The most important thing, so say you wanted to create a website called Save Our Girls. You go to GoDaddy, you register saveourgirls.com. Then you can forward it to the Wix website for free. Now, if you need to learn how to do this, call me. 646-330-9150. Get a second job. Nobody now talk to me for free no more. On a like for waste time. On a disrespectful. Never know who I was. And waste time on a selfish. So on a better have $100 ready. Because that's a gas money I go spend. Mr. Patterson with UIC, you guys will fail if you don't build a proper website to build an app. Now the most important thing about Wix is that it can build an app. All social media platforms, they're going to take over. They control the subscription. Now I have 49,000 subscribers. And when I go live, 20 show up. Because I'm a pan-Africanist. They hear my voice. The computer listen. If we say Marcus Garvey, them turn we down. If them say black people and business, them turn we down. If we promote our own business and products, them turn we down. Them not notify. I have 49,000 subscribers. Another channel, I have 120,000 subscribers. You see? And everything we do, them watch way. The alternate way to do this before you start doing social media and YouTube is to build a Wix website. And then you build an app for $160 a month. So UIC, you need a Wix website with an app. And people download the app. And you get business scan code and you travel through all over the place. and you learn how to link scan code with your website, with your video playlist. So if you as a woman wanted to teach other women about womanhood or domestic violence, how to work with it, and you make your video then on YouTube, you make a playlist, and then you create a business card with a scan code, and that scan code go to that playlist, and then you walk road and give it out to women. That is it. This is not rocket science. You need to learn how to stop doing things physically and start doing things virtually, and stop having a spiritual relationship with God without doing any work. You are a waste woman and a waste man. You can't get up and give praises. You have to do work. If Jamaica is suffering, it's because of you. Every community where you come out of, you have to go back and build it. You can't. It is satisfying when you just watch from a distance and your bank account are grow and your goals and objectives are being accomplished. You can do things parallel. The time you take for watch TV and gossip on phone with your sister or your brethren, at the time when you spend where I watch sports and all them foolishness, that is nation building time. We must use time wisely. You can build a Wix website in 5 minutes. You have an organization. And all of them have to do is sign up. And then with Ascend, you pay $30 extra, and then you can broadcast to 200,000 people, UIC. So somebody get this part of the video, go to YouTube, copy the timeline when I start giving this speech. Go to YouTube, we might cut that speech out differently. Go to YouTube and find UIC them. So if we don't want to build another party in Jamaica, it has to be done virtually. We don't have to go to every churches in Brooklyn, New York, and get the pastors them together. You have to go to the market and you have to deal with the people them and sign them up. You have to get WhatsApp broadcasts. Technology is the way of today, the virtual world. And that is how we're going to change Jamaica, through technology. No, I want to see where I broadcast from. Just to get an idea of what life can be. So, straighten the water boat. Right down here, so. See the people. This is where I'm broadcasting from. And I'll be broadcasting from here in the mornings. See? So you tell me now, if me did have a hut over here, so, when me go farm in Manchester, this is what me want in my life. Peace and tranquility. This is Jamaica, good life. Wanna get it now? Wanna get it? All right. More serious people for contact me. Serious big people. And don't come tell me who your family is. Don't tell me what you used to do. Randy, how can we help you? I'm gonna say, all right, let's go buy some products from China. Because now we are going to do road and help to get the youths them to sell those products. Okay, Randy, we'll buy those products. We get them to Mobile, and we get them to the Ghetto Youths them. We open up a bank account, and they sell it and put money back in the bank account. Get them jobs. Money School going to teach them how to rent films online. The new Jamaica that I see is a productive one, virtual link with the culture. I'm going to say this. If anybody that is of any competence is listening to this and have any connection with the cultural minister, reach out to her. I want to be a part of any administration to help them with their thinking. I am not going to humiliate or disrespect anyone because I don't know the work they have done. I will never point finger at any leader because I don't know them. If we're building Jamaica, we have to all build it together, regardless of the past. The future is more important than the past. As we walk this tightrope of life, we have to work together. The crime and the violence can only stop when there's more boots on the ground to make more sound. So the cultural minister, you have a responsibility to vision a country where there's more performing arts center, that tourists go from point A to point B. Cultural minister, you need some new ideas. If it's just containers all over owned by the government and set up a program where reggae artists doing clean music can get a monthly little salary from the tourism community. You can bus people from place to place. Tourists can come in and visit all these little cultural centers. There really need to be 14 stadiums and 14 different events happening every night. Every night in Jamaica is supposed to be performance. Jamaican youths are creative. The real wealth of Jamaica is creativity, not productivity in the industry. So if the real wealth of Jamaica is creativity, where are the creative outlets for the young youths then? But through technology, they could stream live, pay-per-view. You see, these technology elements is what will save the country. I have a vision. The other day I saw them performing in Spanish Town, and the Spirit said, go and teach them how to do them show and rent them show online. Ah, the Almighty, give me more work for them. So the ghetto youths them have to learn technology. And once them learn how to design them own clothes from China, once them learn how to rent them videos online, they will, if them sign contract among each other and agreements that make sense, and bring to the justice of the peace. The challenge with these young Jamaicans, they don't have agreements with each other, so them start fight each other when money start coming. Every time you see Jamaican men are work together, it fails 90% of the time. Because they're quote unquote crab in a basket, bad mind. So what you find is that unity is strength, but unity without understanding and agreement means nothing, because things change and money change people. Without transparency for all ones. So you see, there is a way out, but it must be with ChatGTP, them get a youth that can write contracts among themselves and sign it. So when any discrepancy happens, and create a budget on Google Docs, you have to teach them to track everything. So later on when a man say, boy, you know, say, I'm spending all the money on me, never get no money. Well, you mean me never gain no money? We deposit in your bank account. No, we just want cash. We don't work with cash. Because we want a receipt. And when you sign for it, sign on the book and take picture of the book and upload it. Can you see when everybody go up on YouTube, go tell everybody, say, the money never right and the money want more money. We have to find a way to document things digitally. So you see when them start talk up them face, just show the public. See the book there? See how much I pay him there? You know when I start Jamaica Good Life, I used to roll with some youth who used to drive me around. You know what them go tell people say? Me never pay them. I take out $1,200 a month out of my 401k. To make sure everybody get fed and paid. And you know what the youth them go do? The people them a bring on, them trick them and say, Randy never pay away. So now everybody start turning against me. And the same people that want to see an episode, the early episode there, them go tell the fans them say, me no give them no money. That's how them try to take me out. So the fans them run away from me. Because them see around there some thief, some selfish guy. Who no get driver's license, who no get donation, but when them want more, and they can't get no more, them cry wolf and tell the supporters and say, me, no give them nothing. So what I did, I made sure the people them had their phone numbers. And when they had their phone numbers now, they could call them directly. So them couldn't say, me never give them the money, when you can call them and ask them, did you get the money? So you find, say, most of them, they throw me under the bus and lie to people about me, but them never know, say, me put out them number to see how they would function. Because some of the people, them come back to me and tell me what them say. So them never know, say, me give out them number so them can talk about me and me hear back what them say about me. And when me hear certain things, that's when I realize, you see them mankind, yeah? Them not normal. Them think them was wise. So my program, I realize them just there use it. Most of them come, I use. them want donation, them want the charity. Eh? So, we overstand the nature of man and money. So, most of this thing was about money, 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 money. There was no truth to it. Everybody thinks of them wise. So now that me in the mountains and I can't sit down and just reason. We don't know. This is a whole new season. Season of infinity. I don't need no one around me. You see me? I don't want nobody for clown me. But cultural minister, let's go back out of my personality. Susan say, Randy, I'll take things personal. Hey, man a people, you know, man a human, you know. A children never get no licking on the face yet, and I don't know what it feel. A children, nobody never threatened to kill you yet. I don't know how it feel, so no don't tell me how to speak. Man have to vent, you see me? Sure. So anyway, cultural minister, you hold up the thing, you know. Create a center, set up pay-per-view for the ghetto youths, them. Make them sing, force them to sing good songs to get paid. And once them sing good songs, they won't sing no killing song, no music. And the people them online, you know, the people them online have to go to channel where you see music videos with gun in it. If you can't do nothing for Jamaica, do this. Learn how to report a video too much violence and tell your family to report that video. Any video you see with any artist with gun finger or guns, report it as violence. Let them take it down. Jamaica should not produce any video music with guns, promoting guns. It is the work of the viewers to go and learn how to tag the video too much violence. If you sit down on the yard and you want to help Jamaica and say, sit down and point about crime, go and report every single video. When you see with gun music, no matter who the artist is, not for them unruly, not for them parasite, them vampire of some system, but totally dunce. One to the total genius them. We must wipe them out, a cleansing must happen in the music industry. Dancehall has a responsibility, you know. And dancehall has lift up Jamaica, but right now, dancehall bring Jamaica down. Reggae music, roots music always bring Jamaica up. Dancehall is good entertainment, but it brings more nastiness and it brings more destruction to this country. Dancehall must take responsibility. We must bring dancehall to the court. And we must, dancehall, we might hang it. Remember, say you have some Jamaicans out there, gatekeepers, you know. You have some spiritual Jamaicans out there, gatekeepers, you know. We just watch, you know. We just watch for a while. And you have some people in the government, and have some soldiers, and you have some people out there, gatekeepers, you know. And them just watch. And you have some new politicians and some new police are going to force, you know. Because the people are just tired, and the only way you stop the killing is by stop talking about the damn violence. Look off a boy head, marrow off a run. Look on my big gun. And every time you see the youth, them a drink them boom and them depressed. You don't want no friends, you don't want no friends. Oh, you're a big man that talk about say you don't want no friends. Eh? Friend killers and all the sickness with the drugs and the smoking and the drinking in the morning and drink alcohol. Like Indians on a reservation. So in order to build them mind, we have a USB for enough of them, re-educate them digitally. That's why I build the institution. That's why it take me 8 years to build the video them online. They know me have to figure out to make them make money, show them a different way. Because you talk to them and next minute, boom, them a listen to the same foolish music, them program to kill themselves. Them program them to kill themselves. So here's where the cultural minister step in now. And she know, say, all right, me or Randy, I say, how do we make them rent the videos them? So when them do a show, promote the show on YouTube and make people rent it to see it. Money is coming in, they get paid. They can see how much money is made. The percentage is already signed for. The organization gets 60%, the artists get the rest of 40%. How many artists perform for the night, for that video? How long for the artist to be paid? For that one video that you're gonna rent? and pay them and make them see the profits. So they want to perform. Now, there's something like that I want to test out, probably in Spanish Town. But I have to teach them how to set it up first. But I'm not going to kill myself no more. I take my time now. I live in this garden now. I'll be broadcasting from here in the mornings, hopefully. And from right just so, I go work. While the world is going crazy, we can lead the nation from here, so. Is it? So, I saw it going on. But cultural minister, you have a responsibility. If a 3-4 container get 2,000 container from China, whoever is the prime minister, a container, barbershop container hair salon for the ghetto youths, them over 21 years old. And then you bring the tourists to the ghetto for them here. How are they pricking, picking, pung, pung? Hey? Oh no, uninnovative, I don't care PNP, I don't care if you're PNP or JLP, get ideas that work. No, let's take a inner city. You get 5 container, 1 barber shop, 1 hair salon, and the youths them are design them clothes. And you bring the tourists. And 1 stage show. The tourists are do them here, them in the inner city, they must spend their money with the people them that have something to provide. Security is there. So now you have performance, you have fashion, you have kids playing music and flutes and violin. A 5 container, you know, cultural minister, you know, that hard. And a rocket science. Why is it that them not? And every private institution needs to be accountable for the playing fields. Grace Kennedy, J. Ray and Nephew, Red Stripe, True Juice. You know, adapt a getter now. You know, that hard. Most of these executives are just sex, money, offshore account. And so how can the people do this themselves? Well, you see what we did with the bridge in Jamaica Good Life, you know. We, the people, did do it ourselves. Matter of fact, we did. It can be done. I'm going to tell you something. It was done. If you look on Jamaica Good Life and see what we did, you see we did charity, we did medical help, charity continues. We sell products, we teach them how to do it. So it is done. The next step is the containers. So you know, as a viewer, when you get in a container in a city, create a stage show. Link me teach you now how to set it up for rent. So the ghetto youth them can perform and rent them videos. You see me, I make money and work together like an art collective. It is art that makes the most money in the world. Michael Jackson, movies, and movies make more money. Movies make a lot of money. Jamaica, filmers must learn how to rent them films. So there's money in the digital realm. The problem is the older generation in government don't have a clue. So you have to come to the younger generation, cultural minister. You are responsible for the cultural innovation and the cultural financial benefit of this nation. Culture can reduce crime. It's 2C. A culture reduce crime, you know. A culture control crime, you know. So if the culture is infested with bad music, it will increase the crime. It is your responsibility to contact the YouTube them, and anytime them say are gonna come out of Jamaica, that video cannot go out, represent Jamaica. And any artist have any gun in their music, the word gun, we have to create a body to review dancehall. Dancehall must be judged. Dancehall must go to court. Because dancehall bring down the morality of this country. Dancehall bring it down. Dancehall promote killing. And as a gatekeeper of this country, one of the things I'm going to sit down and just watch. And the thing, my softy, we go up on the mountain for light the fire. Dancehall must be taken in for trial. We have to put dancehall on trial for what dancehall do to Jamaica. And you see, we as the gatekeepers in this blouse and skirt, that's why we arm ourselves, you know. Because me I said this, and enough for dancehall must come to trial. And you see, if you're found guilty, every video with gun office come out of this. Every artist is going to be, have to change laws and make sure so you sing good quality music about this country where our ancestors bleed for and fight for and granny fight for. You know, go talk no foolishness in your granny ears at about granny. Now go look off the boy head and some blood like a spill upon ground. You know, do that in front of your grandmother. So he's a little girl. You know, do that in front of your grandmother, but you're ready to do it. You sell out the culture for money. Because that's right, but you know, say, if we make a killing song, then we can make some money. So you're ready to kill your own culture for money. It's a vampire. You don't deserve to live. Because all you promote is death. Oh, the vampires, them done turn against me already. Them would have want me dead for say this too. No man, dancehall must go on trial. I don't care who are the biggest. You know, so we are the biggest sound system. He's an uneducated mixer of music. You're not damn special. DJs all over the damn place. Nothing special about it. We just arrange songs differently. We don't even know if we play an instrument. How much of an artist know if we play an instrument? We're not a real artist. We don't know if we play an instrument. It's a beat. And a smoke and a drink. When I used to build pyramids, I want to just build beats. And I dance with the wine with the pants down. Waste man. Waste man them. And them I bring down the country. No, we're gonna burn some of the politicians them, but we don't like for burn, we like solution, we are solutionaries. That's how I said to the cultural minister. Get a worm and catch them in good quality music. If good music start get paid, if the tourist board start create avenues for cultural artists to get paid based on the quality of their song, they're booked. So if them find out say, yo, Bingy, I get paid, him I go to the cultural containers and him I travel to Jamaica at different shows because the cultural containers were set up all across Jamaica. And Bingy, I travel through Jamaica and I get paid. And you where I sing about gun song, now I get no money. Guess what I go happen? Change and balance. Then I go change them song to get paid. So we have to create a local capital in Jamaica, a budget to change the quality of the music and create outlet for tourism. You see the tourists now, them are come to Riverside with the people them. You see what happened, tourist board, and I can't keep them at the hotel no more. The word is out. Jamaica is a good life. And they're coming to buy it out, and they're coming to mix with the locals. You can't stop it no more. So now the tourism is inside Jamaica now. So you, tourist board, better take the lead and start set up containers so the inner city youth them can have money. My greatest disappointment is J-Ray and nephew, Grace Kennedy. Red Stripe, me disappointed. If Red Stripe, D&G, Denny's and get the great disappointment. By a principal could have built a whole music consortium in a Denham town. Them could have bring them tourists to Denham town for the girls them do them here and the youth them perform for them. I'm disappointed in the private sector. And these people who control, if I'm a spiritual leader, I say to the Almighty, I'm disappointed in the leadership in the private sector. Disappointed. And I'm disappointed in the Christian women of this nation. Major disappointment. If I speak for God, I say I'm disappointed. I don't know. because you don't have too much personal relationship with God, on your own salvation, and you guys will not organize to do anything in any community collectively. You just want to sit down and read book and do nothing but save on yourself. It takes 100 police women to run through an inner city to let the little girls them know say somebody's there for them that's feminine. It takes a woman with money to build billboards with police pictures, women on there, to tell little girls say, if anybody touch you, call these women. We don't have to do them things there. I'm disappointed, I don't know. I'm distracted. We're supposed to be warriors and leaders. You don't have an idea. Man, them was there foreign. I build them mansions for what? When you build mansions, you know, build no mansions in order to get to you them heart and soul. Oh no, just is it that me so strong? Or is it that me make for do this? Or is it that you're drunk upon materialism? Or you're drunk upon your wife's sex and your mistress? I'm disappointed in every warrior that has lost them position. I'm so disappointed in my people. I think I sit down for a while and just watch, you know. So disappointed. That's why I'm going to rub shoulder with you now. Disappointed. Get a F for failure. Only one Marcus Garvey live. Only one nanny live. On a sick. I don't want nobody come call himself nanny or cousin. I'm just talking. And I don't want to ever call me again. Because I will never ratted get me again. Disappointed, man. The ideas are out there. 50 years from now, if we don't make a move, this country will be taken. You know, sister, the weather change all over the world. And them a come for Jamaica. Them a buy up every single land. You see, if we don't sell no 401k, if we don't sell no house at Babylon and come buy acres and take half the money where you buy the land and build big wall around it and get some black dog and get bulletproof vest. You see, if you not say war there or Ukraine, you not pay attention. The world is at war. There's an economical downfall coming for the whole world. Where you do things, say, God I go take care of you in Babylon. You better come and go and buy land. You better have a meeting with the family and cut up the land and give who forget who what. Share it up before government come take on the land. If you don't have cousins and you have 50 acres, come down and cut it up among the cousins them. As long as the people them have the land is good. They will fight for it. But if you not there far and hold the paper and you come cut up the land and share it among the family, you I go dead, me I go dead. Leave it for the cousins them. Them will fight for it. That's what the ancestors would have want. You see why me not go live no more? You see why me not go live? Me have too much fire. Randy, yeah man, we want you talk up the thing. You think so me I come warm on the seat, then I fire. Yeah man, Randy, me love you. Now, come out. Bamboo business. Go out your bamboo business. You think so I don't want me come entertain, no? Go out in the bamboo business. I'm disappointed now in the Jamaican. Disappointed. And awake. Bring Dancehall to the court. Get containers from China and set up barber shops and salons for the ghetto youths over 21 who go into a program. Get them jobs locally. Find a piece of land and lease it to them with a container and create rules and regulations so them can start them like a business. Open up the doors for foreigners to ship in cars from America. So you don't have to take so much things from Japan. Where Japan up here now? Make the foreigners ship in cars and make a profit. Open up the beachfronts for the nurses and the policemen to have Airbnb. You don't have to pay them too much money. Teachers, nurses, and police should have a cottage and should have a second room for Airbnb if you make extra money. Soldiers, police, nurses. Open up a whole bunch of cottages and say, look, you're a soldier. See your Airbnb there. Put part of them, figure it out. So when the police know say have a little place where that is subsidized by the government and them can Airbnb it, you might make extra income. You might go be a better police. And you must make them uncountable, put bracelet on them foot and track them and don't give them phone, give them walkie-talkie. If they want to make a call, make them talk to the man with the phone for call somebody else. Log everything. Go to China and go get the cameras them. You see, when you don't love Jamaica, you not even love your grandmother. Don't talk about your grandmother. You failed granny. You failed your grandfather. Our ancestors did not intend for this kind of failure. Then why did granny go work so hard, go send you go school so you can build mansion and go have party and you not do nothing for the nation? You's a liar and a thief. Did granny make the boy become liars and thief? Your grandmother not proud of you, my youth, in a government, in administration, you're workless. Randy, what are you saying? Come, you wanna come for me? Come. So wanna get? Send police and so it. Wanna come? We have something I wait for now. Yeah, man. When we start this journey, you know, the soldiers and the police, them are gonna get my card, you know, and them are gonna re-educate themselves. Them are gonna get a video here, you know. We're disappointed in the Jamaicans, them, the gatekeepers, them, cause them. And I'm most afraid, man. We're disappointed in the foreigners, them were just a watch crime. And them not do nothing. No, Simon, now go back to Jamaica. Then if you don't go back, then somebody else will come take it. Ja. This is letter to Jamaica. Private institution, you can do better. Cultural minister, you can do way better. Wanna reach out to me if you need ideas. We're going to lead from groundation up. And sometimes the voice of a man is so important to the nation. If you're an artist, you're supposed to perform in charity every night. My people, shut your mouth. You're not anointed to lead anybody. You're appointed by your ego. Any man that goes to jail for earthly crime is not anointed, appointed. If you break the law of mankind, you're not appointed, anointed. Yeah? People, that is it. 50 years old now, we don't care what nobody say. We pay, we do the work. All equal change and balance. Everything you do must be a change and a balance. In a government, in a bank account, in ideas, emotion, thoughts. Everything is a change and balance. In a black hole, in a seahorse, in a color, everything, in a emotion, everything. God is a change and a balance. And you have to apply a change and a balance in this country. If you are abroad, you have to take heed and put your life on the line. Come back home, build your land, plant your things them, and fence your property. And dig a big hole for your tank, set up zinc around it, get a pump and get solar panel. And stay upon your land and farm it. There's a time coming where food, build the wall them high, and feed the dog them busy. And buy all station dog, make them shit all over the place. Where you water boat every time. And roll with your dog them in your car. Your Voxy, 13,000 feet. If you want to know where to buy a car, let me know. Buy on a car from Venom in a mobile. You may buy it and bring it in for now. It's a straight virgin. Ship on a barrel, and in Montego Bay, you have to make sure so you start buy property, and buy property in a St. Mary, buy the land up in a St. Mary and fence it and buy something in a Mobile for Airbnb it. The whole Jamaica change, man. The balance is coming. So Babylon and them plane there, come try track eye. Every time the boy them see me up on the thing attack, and them boy them start fly them plane, go South Africa, them fly them plane, come check eye. So you may say people, I want to take this message. Babylon thinks they weed me a plant. I'm send them spy plane when them see me. Yeah man, see the little dirty boy them there. Everywhere I go, I see a plane over my head. So, hear me say, that's a Babylon. Hear me say now. So that is letter to Jamaica this morning. I hope you don't hear me. I don't want you to fear me. I hope you don't hear me. Not many people out there that can steer me. Because of the Almighty care me. So that is the message from the Almighty. I'm a vessel, but when you take my message, I make the change in Miss Bravo, Janet X. Today I'm going to teach a young girl remotely in a Salt Spring how to design our own clothes from China. So today is a blessed day. And when we done teach her, I know how to design our own clothes remotely. So the work continue. Keep supporting Jamaica Good Life. Go to JamaicaGoodLife.com, donate there. We need gas. We're starting up again. Link me. In the bottom of the thing. Peace and love to you. Checking out. All right.